Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open the EA app on your PC and sign in with your EA account credentials. Confirm you are connected to the internet and have at least 100 MB free for update files. Use the same EA account used to install your games or purchases to avoid license issues. If the app prompts for an update immediately, allow it to download and install. If not, continue to the next step to force an update check from the app settings. In the EA app, open Settings, then choose Help, then select Check for Updates manually. The app will scan installed components and queue any available patches for download. Allow the app to download updates and monitor progress in the Downloads tab at the bottom. Do not close the app while files download. When downloads finish, restart the EA app so new files and background services can apply correctly and avoid corrupted installs. If update checks repeatedly fail, uninstall the EA app, then restart your PC before reinstalling. Download the latest EA app installer from the official EA site and run it to repair or reinstall the client. The installer verifies files and replaces corrupted components without removing installed games in most cases. After reinstall, sign in with your EA account to re-authenticate licenses and start any pending updates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.